Hi, welcome back to the channel. On this nice warm 30-degree day, I thought it would be a great idea to take a look at the Fiero in the back of this car trailer. I haven't really touched it in quite a bit, and I just got this box, some goodies, so we're going to get those on today. I think it'll help get it ready for the spring. So inside of our box from Rock Auto, we have a brand new ignition coil, along with a brand new ignition control module. Because I think my ignition control module has gone bad. So I think my ICM went bad last fall. I started getting a code 42 and the car wasn't running right. After some research, it came back and showed that it was related to the ICM. And that's a common failure for these Fieros, so I picked one up. It was cheap, and I got an ignition coil while I was at it because I thought that couldn't hurt because I still have the original one in the car. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. So I already took out the ignition coil. I have it right here, just two 13mm bolts. And after that, your new coil comes with some hardware, new nuts and bolts, and all you have to do is transfer over this bracket, or these two brackets that are from the original coil. And after that, you're ready to put it back in. Now that the bracket is on, the coil's ready to go back in the car. We're not going to put it in just yet, because it might give us a little bit of extra access with it out to get to our ignition control module, which is right here under the distributor. So I'm going to have to take off this distributor cap, and we'll get access to it. Now, with the distributor cap loose, you can see down in there, that is your ICM. It is just held in with two bolts, and I'm going to get that out, and we will see how it looks. And there we go, just got the old one out. You can see it looks pretty rough, and there's a lot of corrosion right on the connection points. And here's the new one right here. It is looking really good, and I'm going to get that installed right about now. So I'm going to put this grease on right here that came in the kit, and we're going to get this installed right away. So there you go. See, the grease is now on it. Now we're going to get it right back installed in the car. There you go. New ICM is in. I'm just going to pop this distributor cap back on and then get the new ignition coil in. So there you go. The new ignition coil is in and the new ICM is in. Hopefully this solves my problem, and I cannot wait to get this thing out for spring. If you guys are interested in getting the ignition coil and getting the ICM, I will leave the link in the description below. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I hope this video helped you out a bit. So I will see you in the next one. See you later.